Good morning, it's John reporting from Saddle Junction. For PCTers watching, that's about PCT mile 179, and today is Tuesday the 3rd of January 2023. And quick scan around, as you can probably see, we've got a decent snow. Measured about 9 inches here at Saddle Junction. There's Annabelle behind me. She and I have just broken trail, you can probably see there, up Devil's Slide Trail. And currently, like I say, about 9 inches here at Saddle. So I won't even try and describe the various storms we've had in the last week. We've had 4 different bouts of precipitation. 3 of those have been pretty minor, like the one that we've just had last night, which produced a couple of inches here, a couple of inches in Idlewild. Looks like about 2 inches in Long Valley, and that's about what was forecast all the way to the high country as well. Currently ice came up, as you can probably see, post holed up. But it was pretty easy going to about 7,500 feet elevation. That's about half to 2/3 of the way up Devil's Slide, and then from there on it was relatively thick. Like I say, probably basically between about 6 to 9 inches. So I'd probably recommend snowshoes. Certainly recommend snowshoes from this elevation, which, like I say, is about 8,100 feet on up. And the snow level had been down yesterday when I was out on May Valley Road, down to about dusting down to 4,000, an inch or two down to about 4,500. So spikes could be useful anywhere from about that elevation up. The main issue, this is why I'm keeping this fairly brief, is we've got another storm, potentially the biggest of this wave of there'll be 5 bouts of precipitation in about 10 days. The problem with the one on Thursday, that's Thursday the 5th, is it's going to be a very mild storm, and forecast is for rain, possibly even as high as this elevation here, certainly at least to about 7,000 feet. So that's going to mess up a lot of the snow at the lower and mid elevations. Not exactly sure what's going to happen. As you might be able to tell on the way up this morning, even though it had snowed a couple of inches overnight, it was basically drizzle all the way up. And even now, it's sort of kind of a light drizzle here in the cloud. So that may freeze as a layer of ice on top of the snow tonight. Bottom line is, quite a lot of snow. Not a huge amount by our standards, but and the biggest challenge is a mix of sort of snow and rain and ice layers for the foreseeable future. Not going to speculate what happens in the 2nd and 3rd weeks of January. Looks like it might warm up and we'll start getting some melting, but it might not. Either way, hiking in these conditions in the San Jacinto Mountains, it's always a beautiful day. And safe hiking, everyone.